Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to insert your mic in your PC. Many of you have doubts to have mic in your PC. Sorry for the late video. Okay, without speaking, let's get started. So first you need to open your browser and click on link in the description below. After opening first, otherwise you can search, just Google search this WO mic for PC. Click on the first link though, and after that you will see here two links. One is the app and another one is a driver. First you need to install the driver like that. First you need to click on the driver, not the app. Okay, so first click on the driver. Follow my steps. After installing that, go to your Android mobile and download it from Play Store. Search for WO mic like I'm searching in the mobile. I have already installed that application. After installing that, open that application. After opening that, click on make sure that you have settings on mic, audio source mic. After setting, click on USB or what connectivity you need. After that, you need to click on the start button, top right corner. After starting, make sure that you have turn on the USB debugging, otherwise this trick will not work. After then, go to your PC and click on the app and click on connection. Here are three options and click on connection to connect. Select your connectivity that you want. I have USB type. I don't have a Wi-Fi driver, so clicking the USB. After clicking USB, click on OK. You will be connected to the OK. So this is the video, guys. You can see that the audio ranges is rising because I'm speaking to this. Okay, this is the video, guys. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and more videos that you want, comment below in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe.
Models popping bottles.